So before you come for me, just hold on. Wait, pause. I know that you are. Just calm down. Take whatever I'm going to be saying from somebody that has done, that is doing affiliate marketing. So I know the truth. Just hold on, calm down, don't be in a hurry. I know the truth, and I'm going to be sharing some of them today. You hear? So don't let me bore you too much. I know you are here for the video, so let's get down into business. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. To all returning subscribers, I want to say thank you so much for coming back to watch my video, and to all new subscribers on this channel. Wow, you're welcome to this family. My name is Mary Joy. I'm an online entrepreneur and I'm also a content creator. This channel is for aspiring online entrepreneurs, freelancers, and basically anyone looking to make money online. In this channel, we share strategies, opportunities, and tips on how you can make money for yourself online. So if this kind of thing interests you, do well to smash the subscribe button right now and turn on your post notification bell so that YouTube will notify you whenever I drop a video. So as you must have seen in the topic of today, a really hot topic, I've already mentioned that I have 3 reasons that you should not consider affiliate marketing. And yes, I'm going to be spilling it out. Every one of them. I won't reserve nothing. I'm going to be telling you everything that you need to know. So don't let me talk too much. Let's get started right now. Number 1, in affiliate marketing, you have to work from home. Yes. I thought we had to go to, it was compulsory for you to wake up in the morning, wake up by 4 a.m. for those that live in Lagos. Leave your house by 5 a.m. just because you want to get to work before 9 o'clock. You face all the traffic, the stress, the conductor wahala, and everything. You get to work by 9 o'clock. You sit down at work and close by 5. That is what we are used to. That is what we know. So why are you telling me that I have to work from home? And to make the matter worse, you say that I'll be making like 200K. Hey, hide your face. Number 2, if you understand the concept of affiliate marketing, you will know that you recommend a product to somebody and you get commission for that recommendation. Something that I've been doing before. Hey God, me that Chinedu will tell me that, oh Mary, I like that your hair, I want to buy it for my babe. Where did you buy it from? And I will tell Chinedu where I bought it from. Hey, so you are telling me that they can pay me for that? They will pay me to tell somebody about product. Nice. Number 3, working 2 hours a day. 9 to 5 people has left the group chat. Yes, you work 2 hours. Now, it's not like you can't work for long, but at least 2 hours a day. You can make up to 200K in a week, working 2 hours daily. When me, I am going to my 9 to 5 work every time, 8 hours a day. And in a month, they will pay me 50,000 naira. And you're telling me that I can work 2 hours a day and they will pay me 200K. That's like 8 hours a week. And I'll earn 200K. These are really, really shocking revelations, don't you think? So I'm sure by now you should have understood what I'm trying to talk about in this video. Let me tell you something. In this age where online working from home has become a thing, you need to leverage on affiliate marketing, because that is one of the easiest way that you can make money for yourself online. Let me even share some other benefits of affiliate marketing. You require a low startup capital. And in some cases, you don't even require money to start affiliate marketing at all. At all. You can basically start with 0 capital for affiliate marketing. But some you require to pay depending on the program. Number 2 benefit is that you don't need a product. You don't need to stress yourself creating a product, whether it's a physical product or a digital product. You don't have to stress yourself. All you need to do is to look for a buyer. Then the buyer buys the product. You get a commission. Number 3, you can have multiple sources of income, because you can actually affiliate for several programs. You can affiliate for Expatnia, for Lenoflix, for Jumia, for JVZoo. A lot of affiliate programs are out there. So you can decide to affiliate for the ones that you know that you can do. And you are getting paid in different ways. So imagine you are working from home and you're still even getting paid more than the person that is going to work, and you're telling me that you should not consider affiliate marketing. I think this is something you should leverage on because it will help you kickstart your journey in the online space. So if you're enjoying what I'm sharing so far in this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know that you are enjoying this video. Let me know that you actually see reasons with what I shared in this video. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notification bell so that whenever I drop another interesting video, YouTube is going to notify you that I've dropped a video. So before we come to the end of this video, I would like to share with you like some of the things that you need when you want to start your own affiliate marketing business. Number one, you need to choose a niche. We have several niches. We have the health and fitness. We have the making money online. We have finance. We have sex and relationship niche. There are several niches. You need to choose a niche that you want to really focus on. So that's one of the first things that you need to know. Number two, you need to join an affiliate program. Yes, the way affiliate marketing works is that you usually have like a unique link whereby if somebody purchases with your link, then you get a commission. So you need to have a program, an affiliate program like Expertnia, Lenoflix, JVZoo, and the rest, where you can pick those products from and you can market them to people that want it. Number three, you need to create a marketing platform. So what platform do you want to use to market this product that you'll be selling? You need to have a platform. Number four, you need to have like a content strategy. I know you must have heard that content is king. Do you understand? So you need to have a strategy on how you are going to use your content, because content helps to nurture your audience. Do you understand? So you need to have like a strategy in place. Number five, you need to build your audience. Yes, traffic is the life source of a business. So if you don't have people that are seeing your products, people that are seeing what you want to sell, nobody is going to buy. So you also need to be able to build your audience. Whatever platform you're using, the kind of niche that you want, you need to build an audience based on that. So number six, based on that audience that you've already built, you now need to promote relevant products to them. So that's basically what affiliate marketing works. So just a summary of the things that you need to start your own affiliate marketing business. You need to choose a niche. You need to join an affiliate program. You need to create a marketing platform. You need to have a content marketing strategy. You need to build your audience. You need to promote relevant products to those audience. So that's just basically what you need to know about starting affiliate marketing. And if you want to start your own affiliate marketing journey, like right now, click on the link in the description box below, where I'm going to be taking you through several ways that you can start your own affiliate marketing business today. So we have come to the end of today's video, but in conclusion, I would like you to know that when you're trying to start up something newly online or wherever, it's always good to have like a coach or somebody that is going to guide you through and help you avoid those mistakes that they made, so that you would like shortcut for you. If you'd like me to be your affiliate marketing coach, you can use the link in the description box, where you have access to chat with me one-on-one on WhatsApp. And I'm going to help you, guide you through your affiliate marketing journey, so that you can also start cashing out like the rest of the people that you see out there. So this is going to be the end of this wonderful video. I hope you're not disappointed, and I hope you really got value from this video. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on your post notification bell, so that whenever I drop another video, YouTube will definitely let you know about it. So we've come to the end. Bye bye. See you in the next video.